Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm here today with my first project of January. And this is going to be the Paper Stash Smash collab, and it's hosted by Project 39 Mini Albums and Karolina from Karolina Crafts. This printable was created by Party Paper Papery, and I will link all of their social media down in the description box below, along to the Ko-fi shop that you can get this printable from. But I have watched this for the past at least 3 years. I tried to participate in 21 or 22. I'll have to find my planner. Oh, I do have it actually. Hang on. I have it right behind me. Oh, 23. So the last time I tried to participate was in 23. I got through a couple of the months, but life got in the way, and so I got through January, February, March, April, May, but then the rest of the year kind of fell off. So I'm hoping this year, one of my goals for the year is to do more crafting, get in my craft room, have fun, just experience my crafts again. I think the past couple of years I have been so busy hosting craft retreats that I haven't been able to craft myself for fun. So that is the goal for this year. And this first project is actually a gift that I was given from one of my friends. She had these beautiful printouts or these cutouts that she used, I think, her Cricut to cut, and they're all these layered. Some of them are already glued together, but I think the reason why is she got a little bit of glue hanging over here, and she might have just been like, that's it, no more. But what I'm going to do is bring in some of my glitter pens, and I'm just going to cover that up. So, you know what? Any little oops is just an opportunity to embellish. And even if they're not perfectly cut lines, these are absolutely beautiful. And somebody is going to love that they're homemade. And they are going to absolutely love this gift. So I am working on my yoga teacher training, which I should have done by the end of January, early February. So these might be really good gifts to give to my co-teachers and my instructor. So we will see. But that is the project that I'm starting off the year with, is getting these done. So my project that I'm going to be smashing, so for January, is UFOs. It was free choice, anything goes. So I'm doing UFOs, all my unfinished projects that have just been cluttering up my craft room. That is my goal. I have a huge bag of projects that I said that I wanted to get rid of. So that is where we are at. So I'm just going to turn this on fast speed, let you watch me assemble one of these, and then I will come back at the end and show you the finished projects and all of them that I got glued together. Just so you know, I am using Barely Art glue in my Sweet Petunia glue press. This is actually just such a godsend, especially for these smaller projects, because I can get really close in here and do all this detailed work. Now again, if any of the glue sneaks out, it's okay, because this is Barely Art glue, so one, it dries matte and flat, and two, I can cover it with glitter. So it's just an opportunity to embellish. So don't stress about it. It's okay. Okay, so here is this gorgeous 6x6. I think it comes out to, oh, this is 5x5. So it's a little shorter than the 6x6 project that I've put together. I'm going to try to figure out how I want to, if I want to put like a little tea light behind it and how I want to display this, but absolutely gorgeous, so beautiful. And just goes to show you, one person's trash is another person's treasure. So remember, opportunities to embellish. If glue gets around, just grab your glitter pen, add some glitter, add some extra bling to it. I did one earlier, and I noticed I got a little bit of coloring out here, so I'm just going to grab some bling from my collection and place that on there. Again, it's just an opportunity to embellish, or I can go around the whole outside with my glitter. Whatever works. These are your projects. The person who's going to receive it is going to love it. They're going to be so excited. I'm going to finish up all of these. I think I've got about 5 or 6 more to put together, and I will come back at the end and show you all of the finished projects. Thank you so much for joining me. All right, welcome back. I have finished gluing all these beautiful projects together, and I'm going to do a quick flip through. I did use my Barely Arts glue. I pulled this little one out after a while because this is a very small tip. And this is a cute little ornament that was 3D printed by Whimsical Wishes. So I will link their Etsy shop in the description box below. He does a lot of my 3D printing projects, and I absolutely love it, including my new Diamond Art 3D set. Let me grab that real quick because it is so super cute. So I did pull this out to add the gems onto my project, but these are great little 3D printed items that he makes for me. So I will link him in the bottom description box below. But let's flip through these gorgeous little scenes that my friend gifted to me. So we've got exhale, inhale, and aren't these beautiful for a yoga themed? Breathe, and then we're going to repeat again. So exhale, inhale, and breathe. The other set that was gifted to me were these True Friendships Persist Time, Distance, and Silence. I did go through and I added a little gem to the center here, and on this one I went through and I added where all the little tittles would be, but I'm not sure. I didn't do it on all of them, so let me know in the description box below if you like it on all of the little spots or if you like them blank. I may go back and add those later, but different color themes on each of these. They're absolutely gorgeous, and I'm so excited to get these ready to gift next year for Christmas. It's so sad. We just finished Christmas, and I'm already starting to prepare for next year for Christmas. How quickly time goes. But thank you so much for joining me. This is my first project of January in my Paper Stash Smash project. So keep following along and see the different projects that we're able to accomplish this month. I'm going to just keep pulling in stuff from my supply and getting them out. So my UFOs is my project for this month. So let's get those unfinished objects completed. I will catch you later.